Hey guys, this is Thomas from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to fix Snapchat login problem. Can't log in to Snapchat? You can easily fix this problem. Just follow these steps. Open up your phone's settings, scroll down and go to Apps. Tap on Apps again. Search for Snapchat app. Tap on Storage. Now click on Clear Data and press on OK. Now try logging into Snapchat. If this still doesn't help, then uninstall Snapchat and download it one more time again. That's how it's done. I hope this guide was helpful and you are able to fix Snapchat login problem. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.